Hello everyone, welcome to Google Form Tutorials. In this video we will see that how can you view the responses to the questions if the form given is a quiz form, like you would be able to see score and the points that you have scored. So once you have submitted the form, view score button is what you will get. So if you just click on this view score, this kind of a response will load. This will show you the correct option, correct answer and what you have marked. Right now in this form there are no correct answers that have been set, so all the answers marked by default are wrong. So basically what happens is you will see the option wrong. If there is a correct answer marked, you will see the correct answer, that this is the correct answer, and the basis of that you will see your marks and the total scores that you have got. So right now it's 0 out of 52 because all the answers are wrong, because none of the answers are correct that have been stored. So this is how you can see. Now there is a difference between the paragraph answer and the short answer type question. For the short answer type question you can actually select a correct answer, but for the paragraphs you cannot, because that's a purely subjective question, so that would be marked manually by your instructor. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.